Yes, yes, it's a coin. Oh my gosh. Wow, yeah. Hey everybody.
Wow, what pits are there? Hey, I'm going to the place, my friends. Diggers and those who just like adventure, treasure hunt and history. There is a field, and there was a big village 100 years ago. People say, however, that somebody have been detecting there for a long time. It seems it's a bridge over there. Looks old. I have a find. That's why I actually took out a shovel and began to shoot. I think it's a coin, guys. What a joke! Yeah, it seems really from the surface. Looks like someone dropped 50 kopecks here. I just didn't notice right away. It's 50 Belarusian kopecks. Maybe some fishermen were sitting here. Ah, God knows, but damn awesome! I already dug enough for bread. Didn't even take a step. The signal was so-so, let's face it. But for lack of a better, I decided to check, and here it is, fine. That was a very loud signal. I'm trying to get it, but I can't, friends. Oh, look. Copper. This is a hefty copper ring. I found iron ones like that, but it's copper. I'll take it, class. So the detector begins to beep often. There are a lot of signals, bricks and a lot of different. A spoon fell out. Teaspoon. Aluminum. And it's whole. Maybe fishermen have lost too. Looks like guys I find the coin. Yeah, come to me. And how it glitters. Just like gold. This is the gold of the party, we say. Here's the 1939, one old Soviet penny. Excellent, a start has been made, friends. Here is what my shovel dug now. So, at first I thought maybe I shouldn't touch this. And then I decided to see what this.
Oh my gosh.
And just look. What is this mechanism? A spray gun, maybe? Briefly speaking, primitive pistol. Perhaps the builders worked 200 years ago. Just kidding. Now I walk within a radius of 10 meters from the place where I found the coin. And of course, there are a lot of signals here. Therefore, I have to dig everything. Oh, apparently I'm doing everything right. There was a piece of iron that I had just dug out. I took 3 steps. The signals was dubious, but I decided to check and see. Dab by dig, guys. Again we got a pretty penny. A pretty penny again. So old. Excellent condition. 1938. Look, what a beauty. Clearly, there was a house here. And then again the signal, guys. Just look at this time what has dropped. Blimey. We got here a piece of small bell. See how it was decorated. I found wreckage before, but much poorer in appearance. Fine. What we got here? Next signal. I dig all the iron, I wonder. And this is a door handle, it looks like. Opened. closed, and something put inside. I came closer again to the stream, to ditch. Here I just dug up 2 copies of late Soviets. Again has a signal, but more powerful. There it lies. The coin lies, guys. But I have doubts about it. Yes, again late Soviets. This elo has a recognizable signal. 1986. 3 copies. Look, normal condition. Damn, for the sake of this coin I dug such a hole. I have uprooted such stones. Before I put the camera away, there was another signal. Seems like again Soviets. But I decided to shoot because the coin lies interesting. Look, it turned out that this signal was not deep, it was very strong. Yes, here it is. The edge sticks out. And it seems to be a 3 penny again. But it's in much worse condition. Oh, so that's 20 copies. Wow, the face value has grown. 1979. Okay, the coin is younger than me. And I am even better preserved than this 20, I hope. Damn, the wind here is awful. My poor ears. So guys, I don't even know. Either the fisherman sat here and dropped it, or something else. Look, you see, how many more late Soviets have dug up. I even found my own age. 3 copies of 1976. Fine. There are also 5 copies. 15. In short, there are signals somewhere else, but I didn't come here for them, after all. However, I still have time. I have planned to gut this hill today. Guys, I'm starting to love digging iron. Just look at what a gorgeous axe fell out to me. In my opinion, gorgeous. Such original shape. Isn't it an exhibit for my collection? I can collect them already. Axes can be really interesting. So guys, Deus told us that this is a good signal. And here it is. I can already see that it's a coin. Oh. Whoa. And this is an empire.
It's a copper coin.
Yes, it is 1 penny. I don't see the year yet. Tired coin, of course, but this is an empire. Today it's the first. Great! I climbed this tall hill and realized that I hurried to go dig in a light cap. Cold wind blows me away, damn. But what a view here! Beauty! I wonder if the village was at the top or in the valley. Still, guys, it's not for nothing that I'm unclimbed this height, cause the days gave me a signal and it seemed to be much better. It's a pity I didn't film digging it up. Guys, this is a coin, and I think it's a big. Oh, what's a hefty one! What is this? Wow! This is a pole, guys! This is a pole the first, yeah! Wow! I see the edge of the letter P over there. Now let's clean it up a bit. Wow, guys! Just look at this condition! It's not shabby at all. Look! Whoa. I found 2 copies only twice in 3 years. And every time they were just killed coins. No wonder I came here. We can already assume that the search was a success. What a beauty! It It looks like there was also a part of the village here, but it was not plowed up. I'm sure that there are still a lot of cool coins. Here was a signal right under the brick.
Yeah.
Here is a coin. Look. It's Soviet this time. Let's see what year. Oh, 1939. I think I already found the 39s today. Well, great. Today I mostly have Soviets, but Paul was super. Guys, I went into the woods. At least there is no wind here. I'll rest a little. I did not come in for nothing, because this is also part of the village. If you look closely, there is an old tree, either a pear or an apple tree, and a huge hole. Somebody dug here, or maybe it was an old well. I can see even last year's black apples under the tree. Okay, but I don't just shoot. Now I will show you something interesting. Even very. One find of mine and one not of mine. This is not mine. Guess what it is, guys? Someone already probably guessed. I understood right away, in terms of size and shape. It was a camera. Here's it bottom with standard fixing. It looks like Zenith. Okay, let's move on. Here's Deus board with the shovel. There was a signal. Here's it, friends. It was copper, it's good. The coin is already dry. Big. Oh, I said good copper, but it doesn't look like a copper at all. Oh, listen, we have 5 Soviet kopecks. Surprise! And the signal was completely different. Strange. Maybe it's because there is something lying nearby. Blimey, I was wrong. So friends, for now is nothing interesting. You can see how it's already dark. I need to go home. There is still a kilometer to go to the car, so for sure there will be some signals. If I find something good, I will show you necessarily. The main thing is not to forget the axe. Well, Deus, well done. No matter how fast I go, but it found a coin. Here it is. Small. Although this is a trifle, it is Imperial. This is half a penny of Nicholas II. Fine. We will know where else to dig along the way. There was a strong signal. I dug and turned on the flashlight. Have you seen what thing? I found a similar one before, but without such wires. Now it became clear. This is how it works. There are 200 meters left to the car, and here is a find. Guys, it's good that my wife does not see this disgrace on the kitchen table. It's okay, I clean up. Look at the hatchet. I am glad that it's whole. I dug up coins, of course, unmeasured, but mainly due to these latest Soviets and even modern ones. I even came across a copper ring. Sorry, it's crumpled. Other finds are not very interesting. As for the coins, the more interesting ones are this 1 penny of 1938. As you can see, say quite cheerful, not shabby coin, so it can be. The next one is 1939. It looks good, if not better. Nice coin. Okay, from the Empire we got half penny. I didn't even bother to clean it, it makes no sense. 1913, 1 kopek of Nicholas II. Also, of course, killed. There is no point to restoring it. Yes, in fact, in comparison with this coin, what can we talk about at all? This is what the coin looks like after being soaked for 2 weeks. Yes, it's been 2 weeks already. And that helped the coin clean up pretty well. There are very few green oxides left. And this is just a super cool state for such old copper. Look how clearly you can see even these strokes on the crown.
Excellent condition.
But overall, just a wonderful coin. I think that this can be safely put in a collection. Do you agree? I think yes. Paul the First, 2 copics 8001 EM. A classic in short. A hefty coin, not that modern. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Be sure to go to the channel to watch the following video. There will be cool finds in it. Thank you and good luck. See you soon.